Good morning and welcome to your daily weather briefing. Well, we have a nice morning so far, and we're going to continue to see nice conditions with warm temperatures around seasonal averages today, with high temperatures expected in the low to mid 80s. So, a very nice day for us in store today. Cooler weather arriving by tomorrow, so get out and enjoy it if you have the opportunity. Taking a look at the conditions from yesterday, we see temperatures generally running in the mid to upper 70s for daytime highs, 81 degrees. The high temperature in Richmond, they were the warmest of all of the recording stations throughout the region. 76 degrees daytime high here at Wallops. Overnight last night, temperatures falling into the 60s for all locations in the region. We were at 63 for our overnight low. You do see a trace of precipitation being reported at both Salisbury and Wallops. That was a very weak impulse that moved through the region earlier this morning that put out a few light rain showers across Accomack County, and we did see a trace reported from that earlier this morning around 7:30. As of 9 a.m., we see those clouds that we had earlier moving out of the region. We see mostly sunny skies with 74 degrees here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, those winds out of a west-southwesterly direction at 18 knots at the 1,000 foot level. On up in height up to the 25,000 foot level, winds generally stay out of a westerly direction, increasing as we go up in height, where we see a wind of 57 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Freezing level this morning was at 11,900 feet. Satellite radar composite showing those light rain showers that put out the trace of precipitation here at Wallops earlier this morning. They are moving quickly off the coast, and really not expecting any chances for precipitation here at Wallops until later on tonight, when we'll see a slight chance of some rain showers and maybe a very slight chance of a thunderstorm during the overnight hours tonight. But that will not be of much significance as it moves quickly through the area later tonight, and we'll see a better chance of some more significant rain shower activity as we head into the weekend. Looking at our visible satellite imagery this morning, you can see a lot of lower level cloudiness currently moving off the coast, and we're going to see a pocket of clearing here for the next couple of hours before we begin to see some upper level cloudiness begin to fill right back into the region. So while we are under mostly sunny skies right now, later this afternoon we'll likely see those clouds increasing a bit. Looking at our current surface analysis, you can see high pressure off the southeast coast providing us with a southerly flow for our wind direction, also a southwesterly component to our winds picking up ahead of this cold front here that will be moving through the region later on tonight. But ahead of that, we're going to see very warm temperatures for us. It will be right around average for this time of year, but warmer than what we've seen over the last couple of days, with those high temperatures again reaching the low to mid 80s. So very nice day in store for us out ahead of that cold front, and cooler weather will be in store for us tomorrow. As you can see here from our forecast maps over the next couple of days, that frontal boundary will be moving through the region later on tonight. Again, with that frontal passage, you could see a few showers and thunderstorms break out across the region overnight tonight. But again, that's just a slight chance of seeing that occur, as the upper level energy associated with this front will be kind of weak, and we're going to see just a few widely scattered showers associated with it. As we go into the day on Friday, you can see that front moves south of the region. We're going to see more of a northeasterly flow to our wind, which will certainly keep our temperatures pretty cool for this time of year. Only expecting high temperatures to reach the low 70s on Friday. So a pretty cool and breezy day in store for us tomorrow. It does look like it will remain dry for most of the day tomorrow until late in the day on Friday, most likely seeing precipitation hold off until the evening hours, as we see the remnants of what was Hurricane Harvey finally making its way out of Texas and reaching the mid-Atlantic coast by late Friday night into Saturday, where we'll see a pretty significant rainfall throughout the region, expecting upwards of about an inch of precipitation, possibly as high as 2 inches, but somewhere within that 1 to 2 inch mark will be likely what we'll see for total rainfall as we go from Friday into the day on Saturday. As you look in Saturday evening, some of those rain showers still hanging out here along the eastern portions of the mid-Atlantic region. We're going to see a few Thunderstorms also possible during the day on Saturday, but late Saturday night into early Sunday morning, these showers will exit the coast, and we'll end up with some pretty nice weather for the end of our Labor Day weekend as we go from Sunday into Monday, with temperatures warming back up as well, and seeing plenty of sunshine for the later portion of our Labor Day weekend. Now, taking a look at our tropical weather here, we do have Tropical Storm Irma, what we thought may be classified as Irma, which moved through earlier this week over the Outer Banks. Never got that classification, so our next system is getting that name of Irma, and already up to 70 miles per hour. You can see the National Hurricane Center over the next 5 days has it tracking across the Atlantic, maybe even dropping a little toward the southwest in its overall movement as we get out to about day 2, day 3. But this will certainly be something to keep our eye on, as it does look like it's going to be moving over a pretty favorable environment for strengthening over the next 5 days, and will likely become a major hurricane as we get into the early portion of next week. Model guidance is kind of all over the place right now, as this is still over a week away from getting anywhere close to the East Coast, but we are looking at seeing the potential for this system affecting the U.S. mainland as we go into the end of next week, as some of the models have it actually coming up the coast, and some of the models actually keep it south and send it back into the Gulf of Mexico. So this will be something we'll be watching as we go into next week, but just wanted to point out the next system that we have out in the Atlantic and its potential effects on the eastern portions of the United States by the end of next weekend, the end of next week. So looking forward to the next 24 hours and what we can expect here at Wallops, we're looking at, again, a very nice day as far as temperatures are concerned. High temperature of 83 degrees expected for our daytime high, cooling off later this evening, and seeing an overnight low of 65 degrees with that slight chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Looking for about a 20% chance of some late rain shower activity, and about a 10% chance or less of any thunderstorm activity as this frontal boundary moves through the area overnight tonight into early tomorrow morning. As we wake up tomorrow, by sunrise we should see those showers exiting the coast and waking up to mostly cloudy conditions. As we look into the next couple of days for our forecast for Friday and Saturday, mostly cloudy and breezy conditions expected for Friday. Again, it will be about 14 degrees cooler than what we are expecting today, with a daytime high temperature of 72 degrees. For Friday night, looking at those showers and thunderstorms beginning to increase over the region, and we'll see a pretty good chance of seeing those showers and thunderstorms here late Friday night into Saturday, where we'll see likely chances of precipitation. Again, total rainfall amounts between 1 and 2 inches are possible during the Friday night and Saturday time frame, but for a daytime high on Saturday of 76 degrees. Looking out toward the next 7 days, again, our significant rain chances will be Friday night into Saturday, where we could see some moderate to heavy showers at times during the day on Saturday. Most of the heavy rain activity will probably be confined to the early morning hours of Saturday, for a daytime high on Saturday of 76, and then we'll see a warm up as we go into the later portion of the Labor Day weekend, up to 81 degrees with just a slight chance of some lingering showers and thunderstorms early in the morning on Sunday. Then as we head into the work week, we'll see temperatures remaining pretty seasonable for this time of year, about 84, 85 for daytime highs, with our next chance of rain coming next Wednesday, as we'll have a cold front slowly moving across the region, producing a chance of some showers and thunderstorms, but for a daytime high on Wednesday of next week in the low 80s. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. and also at 8:15. Have a nice day.